Hello students, K.N. Sharma here. We are studying chapter number 4 in history portion, the age of industrialization. Students, we have discussed about the industrial revolution and about the proto-industrialization. Students, today we will discuss about in England factories multiply in the late 18th century. Students, but how did factories in England multiply? We will discuss about it. British cotton industries boomed in late 18th century. A series of inventions in the 18th century increased the production process. A series of inventions in the cloth manufacturing field. There were so many inventions happened, like Richard Arkwright is credited to create the cotton mill. Students, you know James Watt improved the steam engine. Matthew Boulton manufactured the new model of steam engine. So, a series of inventions in the 18th century increased the production process. Processes of carding, twisting, spinning, rolling were made faster. I just told you. Richard Arkwright created the cotton mill. Now the costly new machines could be purchased, set up, maintained in the mill. And within the mill, all the processes were brought together under one roof and management. You know, proto-industrialization in the countryside, there were so many work happened. Stapler, fuller, dyers had many work. But after the inventions of a cotton mill, all the work was done in one roof, under one roof. This allowed a more careful supervision over the production process, a watch over quality and regulation of labor, all which had been difficult to do when production took place in the countryside. I hope you will have understood this lecture. Students, if you have any doubt, you will ask me during class or in the next lecture. We will discuss more about in our country how face the problems by the weavers and workers of our country. Okay, we will discuss it more in next lecture. Okay, thank you students.